Spraying insecticides from the air is part of the Florida government's effort to prevent the spread of the Zika virus from an area of Miami where most homegrown infections were found.
This morning, early morning, they did the first aerial adulticiding or treatment with a chemical called Nalid, which kills the adult mosquitoes.
Thomas Frieden, director of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control, said the aerial spraying that began Thursday quickly killed most of the adult mosquitoes that pesticides on the ground couldn't reach. Frieden said officials are taking Zika seriously because it's the first time that the United States has had a mosquito-borne disease that can cause a birth defect. He said the key is to protect pregnant women. Frieden praised the state's effort but urged citizens to do their part.
There's something that everyone can do. As the governor said, get rid of standing water. That's more complicated than it may sound. This mosquito can breed in a bottle cap. So you have to get rid of any container that can hold standing water. A coffee cup, a paint can, a bucket for collecting rainwater, a garbage can that isn't covered, a dumpster that isn't covered, trash that can support a little bit of water when it rains.
President Barack Obama on Thursday said widespread outbreaks of Zika, like the ones we've seen in Brazil and Puerto Rico, are unlikely in the United States.
The kind of mosquitoes that are most likely to carry Zika are limited to certain regions of our country. But we cannot be complacent because we do expect to see more Zika cases.
Earlier Thursday, Florida Governor Rick Scott visited the Wynwood community north of Miami, where most of the local infections were contracted through mosquito bites. He said the state is safe to visit.
We're a tourism state. We're going to have 110 million tourists this year. We have a safe state.
The governor insisted that Zika has been contained to 2.5 square kilometer area. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.